Oh! So the third biggest mistake I see bag makers do is failing to pay attention to the needles they use in their machines. In this video, I will give you a gentle reminder of needle use to keep your machine happily sewing. G'day, it's Christine Welsh here from ChrisW Designs, and I'm here to help sewists just like you to make bags and wallets that look so professional nobody will believe you made them yourself. So are you one of those people that just sews and sews and sews until your needle breaks or your machine starts playing up before you even give your needle a second thought? Perhaps you jump onto Facebook and say, "Help!" And then, only after someone asks if you have checked or changed your needle recently, do you even remember that your needle can be changed. Well, it may surprise you to find out that needles do go blunt and they can cause all sorts of issues. So please, change your needle regularly. I like to start with a fresh needle every project or two. And make sure you choose a needle suitable for the bag you intend to make and the fabrics you have chosen. If you are sewing thick denim or many layers, failing to use a needle to suit the project will see you end up with skip stitches, shredded thread and broken needles. Not to mention frayed nerves and lots of words shouted out that scares even your cat. So make sure you change your needle regularly and choose a type of needle to suit the job at hand. If in doubt, check your sewing machine's manual. Yes, I know that sounds obvious, but how many people actually read their manuals? See bag making mistake number 1. Only read if all else fails. Machine needles are so often neglected, and yet a sharp new needle of the correct type can make a world of difference to your sewing experience. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for bag making mistake number 4 coming soon. So if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell to be notified of any new bag making hints and tips coming up. And let me know in the comments below how often you change your needle. Catch you later.